I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your May 1st to May the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live po tayo dyan. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Marami tayong pag-uusapan ngayon. Finances or wealth, career and your job. Nandito din po ang relationships, singles, crushes, no labels or situationships. Nandiyan yung in a relationship, married couple, and third-party situation, and even doon sa mga separated couples, no? So, medyo maldita ang ating cards ngayon. So, meron dito mga real talks. So, huwag tayo mabibigla sa mga words, no? And again, tayo po ay mga adult na dito, no? So, for some reason, eat your motherfucking vegetables. And I feel like, literally, probably, no? Medyo nagtatake tayo ngayon ng mga junk foods, mga processed foods, no? Medyo tinatamad tayong magluto ng sarili natin. But, what I'm also seeing in here is, hindi tayo masyadong ng mga natural, no? There's also something in this energy na medyo ipinipilit natin, kahit alam natin medyo toxic, no? Or hinahayaan natin. Either kung tayo pinipilit natin or hinahayaan natin. And I feel like there's something that is happening with your energy or with your dynamic with your person that is not organic. That is not something happy. That is not something that probably going to nurture, no, your energy to grow. And I feel like things are weighing down lately when it comes to finances and wealth. Chances are medyo nagagastos-gastos natin itong mga bagay, no? Sa either walang kapararakan or hindi na masyado tayo nagiging how do we say it? Compulsive, no? Especially sa ating mga buying decisions. When it comes to career and jobs, nako baka either nakikihalo tayo sa mga chismisan or ikaw ang pinagchichismisan pero pinapatulan mo naman. So, ayan, nakakakita din ako dito na, post sa Facebook, parinigan. Is it worth it? Is it something that's natural for you? No? Is it making you grow as a person? Is it very nurturing? Or does it add up to your stress? Something to ponder. When it comes to relationships, singles, baka naman tayo nagkakagusto sa, I think, I don't want to say the word, no? Pero kasi, again, medyo medyo maldita nga ito. Sometimes, yung mga sinasabi nito is fucked up. Ganun ba tayo ka-desperado? No? Kasi, I think that you are probably liking just because of, for the sake of, no, magka-jowa na lang, no? That may probably, it's not about sa trabaho eh. It's not about the career that your person chooses. As long as siguro maganda yung pera, that's okay. Kung paano nila kinikita, that's okay. But I feel like medyo off na dahil I think that we are probably liking someone that is not morally, no, approved by what? By the nation, by the being, as a human, no. I feel like we need to somehow ibalik natin yung dignity, ibalik natin yung sabihin natin pagiging choosy, no? When it comes to crushes and no label situation, girl, boy, no? Bakla, tomboy, medyo na ano tayo dito. We're really being taken advantage of to a point wherein alam naman natin na medyo na-take advantage na tayo and we're not even saying a thing. So, hinahayaan natin, no? At pinapagalitan ko kayo, nakataas at talaga ang aking kilay. So, gusto kong sabihin na yung energy is not okay, no? I feel like in the end, you're suffering and I think that you're going to suffer and I think that you are suffering as of the moment. With regard to in a relationship or married couple, I feel like somewhat medyo nagiging narcissistic si person, so a third party, ha? And sabihin na natin, sama natin dito yung separated couples. So, probably the reason being why you are in a separation is because the person is narcissistic, no? They blame you for the things that is happening, to them. And I feel like this is not right. This is a relationship. And when it comes to relationship, it takes two to tango, no? Yes, you may have a contribution, but it doesn't necessarily mean that this entire situation is just made by you. Someone allows it to happen. Someone probably at first liked it to happen. Someone probably just, were really dead silent about this. But then again, this is not just a matter of akin lang, no? Ako lang yung dapat putukan dito, no? With the Queen of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the King of Cups. So, ang naging problema kasi dito is more of masyado nating na baby itong energy na ito. The reason why I'm saying energy because we have different aspects, no, of our life na medyo tinatakal natin. So, it can be an event, it can be a situation, it can be a person, wanting, no, manifestations, what have you. But this energy, somewhat, parang na-baby natin, masyado natin pinagtuunan ng pansin, finances or wealth. I feel like masyado tayo naging focus sa mga bagay na not really on savings. Probably we are being also influenced by the social media, no? Siguro, I don't want to say inget, but also probably being curious with things, no, nagagalaw natin itong mga perang hindi naman dapat ginagalaw, no, or perang nakalaan sa iba. Let's say your savings, no, your emergency funds, your sabihin nating mga, I feel like meron tayong ginagawa dito na parang hindi siya nakakatulong. Instead, parang these energies dragging us down, no, para mas maghirap tayo in a way financially. Career or relationship, we're being triggered, that's for sure. We are being triggered for lumaban, mainis. I feel like this is not really good dahil the more na pinapatulan mo ito, the more na parang pinapakita mo, no, na tama sila. I think that they're trying to unleash the beast in you. So, meron pa rin narcissistic behavior dito. And it felt like, oh, see, sabi sa'yo eh. So, they're going to blame you for the things that they do or that they did that triggers you. So, medyo kalma, no? Medyo kalma tayo doon. Dahil I feel like sa'yo din puputok ito. If in case, nagkaroon ng labasan, no? Baka mamaya yung pag-post-post na yan, no, pagpaparinig-parinig na yan, kung saan pa ito mapunta. And I don't want that to happen. Na magkaroon, Diyos ko, parang sa post, imagine you're dragging yourself to a post, tapos magkakaroon kayo ng baranggayan, worse, magkakaroon pa ng demandahan. For what? For a post? Do you think that's worth the dignity? No? Something to ponder, especially no, for career and job, medyo dito nakafocus itong energies na ito. But when it comes to the relationship, singles, crushes, no labels, you know what, I feel like dahil sa sobrang na baby natin itong person na ito, kahit hindi niya hinihingi, binibigay natin. I think that's the same energy with the relationship, married couple, third party situation, and even no, doon sa separated couples. So the reason being is I think na baka kala na nila, no, yaya, yoyo, kanya, no, or nanay or tatay, kanya. It's because hindi ko sinasabing masama ang pagiging generous, no, dito sa person na ito. Generosity, it doesn't always have to be money, it doesn't always have to be gifts, but probably the time, no? So, kahit hindi lang dito hinihingi, binibigay mo. And everything that is too much, excessive, nakakasama, no? And I feel like it bounced back on you. Dahil medyo, yun nga, na baby natin itong sitwasyon na ito. No? With the 7 of Swords, the 3 of Cups, and the 8 of Pentacles. You know what I am seeing in here? Nakakakita ko dito na kunya-kunyarian, no? Hindi naman, well, pagiging plastic. Babalik na naman tayo doon sa career and job. Udahin ko na nga yung career and job. Medyo merong ano sa inyo dito na, oy friend, so, nagsasabi na, friend kita, tutulungan kita, no? I am here for you, pero I feel like siya yung source ng pagkakaroon ng rumor sa'yo. Someone here is playing a victim also. Or probably this is you with the 7 of Swords na playing dumb. No, kunya, di kala nyo sinong ginagago nyo, no? Kala nyo hindi ko alam. So, alam ko yung nangyayari. I'm just playing along. But I feel like it's not even worth the try, no? Just know the difference, know the energy, and then don't play along, no? Separate yourself from them. Finances, I feel like medyo hindi na rin tayo ito. Probably we need to check ourselves na probably itong ating spending habits is also being excessive. We need to probably iwasan natin muna, at least for the week, itong paglabas-labas. I feel like medyo napapadalas ang ating gimmick. Hindi masama, no? Ang mag-unwind. Pero kung everyday unwind at wala namang pumapasok, I feel like it's not good, no? Lalo na kapag meron tayong mga nababawas-bawasan sa ating mga finances. Relationships, singles, crushes, and no labels. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Toxic na nandyan pa. Alam mong hindi ka na pinapansin, alam mong hindi, parang wala ka ng halaga. Hala siya, sige habol. Again, this could be you, this could be your person. No, you can switch the energies. What I'm reading is the dynamic, no? You can interchange the roles. But I feel like, bakit kasi meron din, hindi ko nilalahat, no? Cancer, pero meron ditong gustong-gusto yung, ang tanga-tanga mo. iyak-iyak, tapos, nasasabihan ng tanga. Masakit. Pero, ang dami nang nakakapansin, hala, sige, ganun pa rin ang ginagawa. Um, I feel like it's not cute, no? I-hate nyo na ako kung i-hate nyo ako. But it's not cute. The reason being is because your friends are there. Your families are there too. Kasi they love you. They're concerned about what's happening in your love life. And I feel like this person is not worthy of your love. But then again, you're even providing some reasons, probably, or alibis to fight for them. I mean, to probably makes excuses. But I feel like it's not even cute because at the end of the day, who's going to suffer? It's not your friends. At the end of the day, it's you. No? So probably take maybe not all, but some information from the people that surrounds you. Um Sabihin natin dito na hindi mo kasi nakikita yung mga nakikita nila. So I think that we are actually blinded by our love, no? Chances are baka nandiligaw na nga ito sa iba, no? With the um Seven of Swords, I think that this person is just taking advantage of you for some reason, no? Whether this is money or probably their ego, no? You might have to double check on that. When it comes to, yeah, the reason why I said you hate me on this because I'm really concerned and it's really bothering and it's not even cute. Doon sa mga pinapagalitan talaga kita. Kataas yung kilay ko. In a relationship, married couple, and a third party situation, I think that you know that you might be, sabihin natin, kasama na natin dito yung separated couples, no? You smell something fishy and you're not even calling the person out. Katulad ng sinabi ko, you might also be the one who's probably making excuses for your person for their misbehaviors, no? And I feel like it's not healthy anymore. It's not healthy to put yourself down just to lift your person up. Be true. And I think that there's also something that's happening here na alam mo yung nangyayari pero pinagsisinungaling ng mga friends mo or your family members mo. But I felt like, basta ko na kayo po. But I felt like, help yourself. Help yourself. Because there are people who loves you that can do that can do something for you, but it's limited, no? Buntot mo, hila mo. Okay? So, let's check some more cards in here. The King of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Four of Wands. So, I feel like meron ditong pinaglalaban for the sake of kasi I invested a lot. When it comes to career na naman, I think if this is more really toxic, I think that you need to change, whether change the department, request for transfers, or probably get yourself out. If the kitchen is too hot, get out of the kitchen. No, finances or wealth. I think that you are also there are also people around you that's not really a good influence. That's probably, sabihin natin dito, kaya mo lang siguro kadikit, it's because of you have something to give, no? And I feel like it's not really, you can't call them friends. They're just sucking, the hell out of you, sucking you dry, your finances dry. And at the end of the day, makatae ka sa kanila kapag wala ka nang mailabas, no? Relationships, I feel like for singles, crushes, no labels, for the sake of dahil nag-invest tayo ng time, energy, effort, nagbigay tayo ng regalo, girl, bigay mo na yun. Abulin mo na, no? There's something here that's worth for you. And I feel like you need to consider your own happiness first. Paano ka magbibigay ng happiness kung kung hindi ka happy sa sarili mo? Saan mo kinukuha? No? For you, para siyang dami, no? Para siyang yung tubig. So, paano magbibigay yung tubig, yung dam ng tubig sa kanyang mga nasasakupan kung siya mismo tuyo na? Right? So, where are you getting that from? And do you think na ito bang ibinibigay mo was truly appreciated? I feel like not anymore. Yes, sometimes we're happy for the situations that we are giving, but in return, huwag na tayong magpaka-hypocrite. The reason why we are looking for someone, no, relationship-wise or connecting someone romantically, it's because we need a reciprocation. But do you think that we are being reciprocated? Right. In a relationship, married and third party, no? So this is real talk. Tayong dalawa talaga ang nag-usap dito, Cancer. Kailangan natin maging masinsinan dito. Third party situation and the, what do you call this? Separated couples, no? I feel like you need to fight for your right. You need to stand your ground. You need to, you can be stable. And pwede mo siyang maayos, no? It's just that you have to speak up. Sometimes we need to be brutally honest. It's not about the words. It's how it comes across. Pwede nating ma-express ang ating nararamdaman ng hindi sumisigaw, no? Pwede tayo magpakatotoo ng hindi tumataas ang boses, no? So I think that's what we need to practice in here. Let's get some message from the universe. Whatever you have been putting off, don't procrastinate any longer. I think that there's also something in here na yung gut feeling mo sinasabi sa iyo, oy, do something about this. I think that you're keeping silence for the sake of what? Afraid? Hindi ko sasabing makipagtunggali ka, no? Ipagtanggol mo yung sarili mo. That's it. Tackle that long overdue project. Discuss it. Face it. Don't run away from it. No? Start with one thing at a time. So, pwede din ditong siguro sabihin natin, wag lahat, wag sabay-sabay, no? Isa-isa lang, mahina ang kalaban. And so far, medyo wounded tayo na yun. So, kailangan natin magpalakas. Kaya, isa-isa lang. Take your time. Thoughts and the ideas are not acted upon, it's just laying in wait. You can do this. So, it felt like there's gut feelings, no? Inside of you that you need to, parang sabihin natin, take action. And I think that this is the time. The universe is pushing you to stand your ground. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na doon po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So if you want to join our live sessions, you're very much welcome to do so. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulogin ng yes or no lang, lumipat na po kayo or mag-comment naman kayo, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi nga kayo papatulogin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo din sa website. Nasa description box ng video na ito yung link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, and multiple questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Libra, no? So that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just